My name is Pierce. I am the social medias manager for PamsMix, and I don't know what else to say. These are my parents. Hello, I'm Pierce. I am the social media manager for PamsMix, and I am currently taking my gap year to support the business. I originally, when I finished off in college, it was, it was a bit of a rough time for me because I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do. Obviously, I'm helping out with the business, but then at the same time, I had to figure out what I actually wanted to do in the future because I had so much stuff in my head that I wanted to do. For example, I wanted to do animation because of my art and design. That was a fun time for me. But the only issue was that I had to essentially invest a lot more time into that, and I didn't want to stray away from what PamsMix is doing because my parents need me, my brothers need me, and I can't exactly just leave them and just ditch them like that. You can't exactly just, you know, it's just a lot. It's a lot to go through. But during my gap year, I finally realized that I wanted to do something like social media because since high school, I wanted to edit videos and pursue something that could help me express myself creatively. And through that, I've thrived a lot more now, and I've made videos daily and tried to record as much as I could to encapsulate the family and what it's like to be with us. And I hope it really comes out to everyone else about that. But yeah.
I used to be a nurse, and you know, baking is one of my hobby. And some of my friends, colleagues, and asking me to bake cakes for them for their occasion. And then it turned out I didn't have a day off because every time I'm off, I'm baking to do the cakes. And I was really happy to do baking and cake decorating, stuff like that. And then there was one time that we had like a baking competition in our workplace, and I won the first prize. So I was really motivated. And then yeah, it just turned out that I'm becoming more happier doing the baking than doing my nursing bit at that time. But then pandemic hit, and I don't know if I'm going back to nursing or I'll just do the baking. But I decided to do the baking, give it a shot. And whilst I can still do it because I said, oh, I'm not turning, I'm not getting any younger, so I have to do what makes me happy. So then that's how Pumps Mix started. Because when we were trying to register pump cakes, there's so many pump cakes. So we thought of having Pumps Mix. But I said, oh, if it's only Palms Mix, but I was known as Palm Cakes. So I said, let me put by Palm Cakes. Palms Mix by Palm Cakes. So it was too long, but then I
I
said
like
I'm happy about it. So yeah, that's how it turned out.
I like it. I think it's unique.
Yeah, it is.
I know some people could not pronounce it.
It's a very long name.
It's a
Very long name.
It's a bit a tongue twists at the same
Yeah,
time.
and the logo as well. We had a difficulty
Oh,
doing the
shout out to
logo.
Kuya Aga.
Kuya Aga.
So I
saved
was,
us.
I was saying, I was thinking of having just like a lady with the cake, holding the cake. But Kuya Aga said, "Oh, mommy, that's too common. Come on, mommy, let's change it. Okay, what do you have in mind?" So he made the logo, something like, "Oh, I love it." So
You made a
it
few.
was
You
really
made a few actually. I don't know if we
Yeah.
can go back to that. We
Yeah.
made a few of those things.
I don't know if we have the files for them,
No.
but
At one point, my colleague, on my previous job was involved. Shout out to Mike Edie. Mike Edie is, yeah. Even put that on his Instagram to say,
Instagram.
can you just vote on this? Which one would you like to be the main one? And he did that for me on his Instagram. So he's quite like a bit involved on that one.
Okay.
see, that's how we decided.
Well, on top of everything else, I think mainly most of the people like it. We liked it as well. Mommy likes it and everyone else. Yung iba-ibang pinagpilian. Yeah, it's about 4 or 5, I think, na choices.
It's cool though.
Yeah. And then, we've spent so much time with the labels, with how we do the traffic lights for the ingredients. Oh my God, it took me a week just to calculate all the ingredients and how much calories, how much fats, how much salt, how much sugar. Oh my God. But, it pays off.
There's always a challenge, but we always
Yeah,
strive
that's-
to accomplish it,
Yeah.
no matter what. We always need to. Always need to.
Challenge is a good thing. Yes. Dati rin akong nurse. Na ako ay nasa retrieval. Well, theater, retrieval. I've been everywhere anyway. And then, alam mo yung pagka nagsimula ng something ang iyong family, you need to get involved anyway. And at that point, siguro yun isa sa mga, ang tagal kong nag-isip, siguro mga 6 months. Nag-part-time pa ako for a bit to think about it. Ang mahirap talaga yung mag-change ka ng career. Especially kung alam mo na ang aalisan mo ay something na stable. Going to something na hindi mo pa alam ang pwedeng mangyari.
No, because we were not business
No.
man and business
Hindi naman
woman.
kami mga businessman, businesswoman. We don't know anything about business. Nung kami nagsimula, ang alam lang namin ng asawa ko ay mag-bake. Ang alam ko lang noon ay mag-turn ng oven at saka magugas ng plato. That was it. So, yung asawa ko ang aking main chef, ang aking teacher, what else? Ang aking instructor. Everything. Ngayon lang ako nakakapag-bake ng pako konti. But back then, zero talaga. So, yun ang isang challenge. Mag-switch doon nang hindi mo alam ang mangyayari. So, yun ang isang challenge ko ng panahon yun.
But
Pero I think mag-i-evolve ka once... Ang isa pang tanong ng mga tao ng panahon yun ay bakit sigurado na ba kayo na kayo ay mag-move into something na hindi kayo sigurado? Parang ganyan.
you can do bank. That's what they were saying.
Pwede naman. Which is true. Which is true.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, ang sabi namin ay kung ang aming nasa isip ay kung magsisimula ka and then hindi mo i-give you're not giving your all. Parang ganyan. Tama ba? Hindi mo ibibigay lahat ng pwede mong ibigay. Tapos iisipin mo na, ay, may babalikan ako. Para bang you going to go somewhere, but the back of your mind, parang, ay, pwede naman akong may fallback naman ako. parang ang dating ay nagsisimula ka pa lang, ibibigay mo, pero may doubt ka na kaagad. Parang gano'n na nasa isip ko. Sabi, well, you doubting yourself already then. Parang gano'n. So,
Kailangan ay full-hearted.
kailangan talagang ibibigay mo yung parang ganyan. Yun doon kami nag-ano na, sige, we gave it all. Magpupurso tayo diyan kung ano man yan. Kung anong kalabasan yan, bahala na si Batman. Parang ganyan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's another thing in this company. We cannot, we don't say problem. We're trying to say challenge. Because these are challenges.
It sounds more positive in the long run, and we don't want to keep being negative. Otherwise, it will take a tank into our, our motivations in the company. So, yeah, it's a good thing that we're doing that instead.
More positive-ish name.
Yeah.
As the motto. Remove the stress. But ang pinagsimulan nito is stress kasi. We started with stress. So we still owe something
From stress.
from stress. But because the stress is, we have a bitter relationship with the stress, and it wasn't good relationship. We're trying to, we're not forgetting it. It's just.
It's like a blessing in
the
disguise.
This one has got their own
Department.
departments to see, to oversee, and everyone is a member. So everyone is still involved. They just have their own kind of something to manage, something like that. But it evolves according to what we need at that moment anyway. It
Yeah.
evolves.
So we don't have a clash of roles.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have our own roles.
Yeah, we always work as a team.
Yeah.
For example, when I make my videos, I always show it to my parents and brothers as well, because they're always the back end, putting out the work for us as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we're all like working together, because otherwise, I think a lot of this would be crashing down.
Oh. So we need more people actually. I think.
For
We
very,
need more than than us.
yeah,
And our motto is to make everything less stressful. So it's really informal company. We don't have like, okay, we have a meeting tomorrow. This is the
Yeah,
email. This is the memo. We're going to do this and that. And
Yeah.
that.
There's no strict.
There's no strict guideline. It's just lang, the priority is still the production. But everything else that we have encountered on a day, we make a list of this is the challenge for today. And then according to that challenge, we'll make this like a department
We
will
have to
create something
improve.
to improve that bit. So it's really informal. I wish we record those things as well, every meeting, because every meeting is like, right, guys, we have a meeting.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah. But it's so hard to record that because it's all in the moment, right?
Yeah.
And I don't want to mess on any information as well. So obviously, I have to focus in on the interview, well, not the interview, the meeting more than me recording it, because otherwise, it's just too much stuff, and I have to multitask a lot.
Yeah,
more.
that makes you really stressful. isn't
Yeah, because there was one time where I almost like. what was
Sorry,
it?
parents.
Yeah, it's okay. I was trying to record everything because this is my first time trying to record. It was the which video was it?
Mom is making a cake.
I've got 4 cakes to make,
Yeah.
and then you are doing all. You're trying to capture all the video,
Yeah.
the moments.
Trying to get all the data
Yeah.
anyway. It's stressful.
Yeah.
But you were so stressed because my daddy is there. We're taking video. Oh,
Yeah.
Kuya Aga is talking about something, and we're doing.
And then Dad had a weird apron on, and I couldn't put it to the video. For context, it's like a apron with a speedo on, so I can't exactly put that into the video because that would reputize as like non-serious. I'm trying my best here.
But that was it's difficult for you.
Yeah.
Really difficult for you because it's a newly formed department as well.
Yeah.
It used to be mommy's department, but it's with you now.
Yeah.
So what he's trying to do is, at the beginning, he's trying to direct everything, which is difficult if you are in there. We cannot just change the setting, and we cannot just wait for the direction because you're in the moment of making something. I cannot just stop and say, okay.
And then I cannot just Piers, I'm doing this now.
Yeah.
So he needs to be ready all the time
Yeah.
to capture the what I'm doing.
Yeah. I have to essentially be in a flow state all the time, ensuring that I have everything for the video that I'm going to post later in the week. Because there's always so much stuff to capture.
But I like the last video that you did. I think that you.
Yeah.
I mean, at the beginning, I like it. I like the way you do it.
Mm-hmm.
I think that there is something that you need to see all those videos anyway. I mean, I'm really proud of you doing those videos. I mean, there is something in that.
Yeah.
I like it.
Because
And getting better as well with the thing.
yeah.
Well done.
Because with the videos, it's something I've always wanted to do since like high school. I wanted to make videos, do content creation for the longest time. Only issue is I didn't know what to do, what I wanted to do beforehand. So it was a bunch of ideas clashing together. For example, I wanted to do animation in the first place. I did commissions, like Roblox animation commissions. Obviously, it didn't work well, but I had fun doing it. So I moved on to the next thing, which was essentially working with Pam's Mix. I didn't do editing first. I started off doing dishes and all that, just cleaning up. And then I built up more into my schedule, and that led to me doing the content creation I'm doing now, which is I'm having a lot more fun with now.
So it's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's fun.
There's more to come. The big challenge talaga, pwede ko lang, is the switch from being a nurse to become not just a baker, but a businessman at the same time. Because they coincide all the time. When we were doing nursing, we don't think about the budgeting. We don't think about the
We do.
admin. Well, in a family,
different way.
That's a different way. That's there's a family. In a business, it's like different thing. You need to think
A
about
different entity.
everything. Yeah. So yun ang isang pinaka-challenge kung paano ko mag-move parang from being a nurse to a businessman. Kasi dun sa ating pagiging nurse, you just need to turn up to work. Someone would do your accounting, someone would do your admin. Sometimes they would even just give you your schedule and your duties for the day. You just need to turn up, get home, and that's it.
And wait for your salary.
Yeah. Every month, it'll just come
Yeah,
to you.
yeah.
Sa business, you need to think the whole thing. Hindi namin sinasabi na it was easy. Hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan kami, to be honest. It's, kasi in combination pa nun, ay mag-i-step out ka out of comfort zone. So, pag nasanay ka na sa loob ng iyong company, you have your company to manage, but you still need to link into different department of government. So, kailangan mo makipag-connect sa HMRC, kailangan mo din ang local community, kailangan mo ng tawag dyan, kailangan pumunta sila rito to look into your business. You need to do your finances,
Accountant mo.
yung accountant mo, and then kailangan nilang tingnan yung premises mo if it's like, up to standard for the business, because the health of the public is your main concern. So and then yung mga changes sa law, kailangan mo ring malaman yung mga changes sa law, and you need to follow that as well. So there's a loads of things. And then that involves yung customer service. Kailangan mo makipag-link pa sa mga third-party services, katulad ng, kasi sa amin, malaki ang involvement ng Royal Mail, DPD, DHL, kasi sila yung dispensing department. Kasi kasi sa amin, ang amin kasi website they need to buy na website, we need to process that, and we need to
More on online.
and then kailangan namin makipag-connect sa mga courier services. So isa pa yan. And then minsan yung kasalanan pa, hindi na namin kasalanan na ng mga
Courier.
third-party services, kami pa rin yung magsushoulder. So malaki pa rin yung nawawala. Kasi akala ang common connotation ng mga kalimitan ng mga customer is if that
Product came from you.
lost in a during the transit sa third party, tulad halimbawa ng Royal Mail, ang akala nila kasalanan pa rin namin, which is not. So pero in the end, dahil sa may policies ang Royal Mail na bago nila ma-retrieve, maibalik mai-refund yung money, ay kailangan nilang mag-investigate. Tapos marami silang kinukuhang requirements sa amin bago nila i-refund yung money na hindi minsan namin ma-fulfill kasi involved pa rin yung customer to get some photos, to get the complaints. Bago namin ma-send yun, bago pa kami ma-refund. So that's another challenge there actually. So minsan, most of the time, I think I would say more than 60%, if not 90%, ay hindi na nare-refund.
Oo.
Yeah. Yun ang isang
Hindi,
challenge.
tsaka pag may refund, it's not full.
No, it's not full refund.
It's not full refund.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang inaano lang ng Royal Mail ay
Yung capital.
kung magkano yung
capital
oo,
namin.
capital na nagastos ang tinatanong nila, hindi yung talagang full payment ng customer. So yun ang talagang big challenge kaya paminsan na sinasabing pagka ay mahal naman ng ng charge ng posting. Hindi nila nare-realize yung packaging na ginagastos, yung mga boxes, ayun ay kasama doon sa product. Hindi lang naman yung product ang bibilhin.
Kasama sa costing.
Kasama sa costing yung kasi yung cake halimbawa, yung kailangan namin ng ice. So nilalagyan pa namin ng ice. Tapos may syempre yung packaging na para hindi maano yung ice is kailangan ay temperature controlled yung packaging. Hindi lang siya basta inilalagay sa box at ipadadala na sa courier. So yun ang medyo magastos. Actually mas magastos pa yun kaysa sa
mas magastos ang posting
kaysa sa mga products na padadala namin. Minsan mas mahal pa, like yung braso na maliit, let's say 8 pounds lang yun. Pero yung ilalagay namin doon, yellow, yung packaging, yung box, yung label, yung sticker and everything.
It's more than 8 pounds.
Yeah.
Pero nakakompensate naman kasi hindi lang naman isang product ang binibili. Meron pang ibang product na kasama in the box. So it's still okay. I mean, we cannot blame the customers kasi I used to be like that. Anyway,
When we were working.
I don't understand how it works. I think it's just education anyway. Kasi akala nga natin it's always kasalanan ng manufacturer mismo. Pero it's not. Parang lang. Para sa amin, the good thing is, parang sa amin ay wake-up call. Lalo na ngayon na alam natin na mas maraming small businesses na nag-exist na talagang nahihirapan talaga.
Hirap talaga.
Lalo na ngayong present climate ng financial climate, it's really difficult to exist. So yan. Yung mga challenges na lalo naming naiintindihan ba. Which is
Pero maraming tao na nakaka-appreciate
hindi naman lahat, hindi naman talaga lahat. I mean most of them
very little
really nice.
percentage lang naman yung mga ganun. Yung mostly naman ay like yung mga reviews sa TikTok shop. They are really happy with the packaging because it's well packed and we are thinking about if there will be a leakage, so we have to pack it really.
Sometimes dinodouble pa namin just to make sure na yung quality ng products ay makakarating sila ng the same quality kung siya'y umalis dito sa amin.
That was our biggest challenge when we were starting because we don't know which packaging we are going to use what kind of
packaging is a big challenge.
Label. The label sometimes is another thing kasi when it becomes wet, it affects the
it becomes unreadable, and you know what, nowadays they just do this content.
So we are buying the waterproof labels. Which is more expensive but less naman yung magiging problema mo doon sa pag travel naman, di ba?
Ayun nga, yung packaging is a big challenge kasi Iba-ibang company, Royal Mail, DPD, DHL, may kanya-kanya silang specs.
At saka, you don't know how they are storing your product.
Isa pa yun, kasi
Oo,
hindi
kasi-
lahat ng... Kasi ang ating present na courier ay hindi sila specialized sa food.
Mga perishable.
Hindi sila specialized sa perishable. Kaya yung mga katulad ng tawag dito, Sainsbury's, inaano nila ang Amazon to do their deliveries because it's like local delivery. Kaya nag-exist, I think, yung mga local deliveries ng food is because yung mga malalaking delivery ko, yung mga courier, they can't do it. Kasi in general lang kanila yung packet and then, you know, they don't store it in a fridge. Right?
Minsan doon nagkakaroon ng problema sa kanilang side kasi yung
So
the way
kami
they store.
nag-adjust. Nilalagyan namin silang temperature controlled boxes at saka,
Pero minsan kasi hindi pa rin nagawa ng
ano,
yung mga tinapay, hindi naman kailangan talaga yun ilagay sa ganun. Kaya lang minsan siguro gawa nga ng lalo na pag summer, yung sobrang init.
oh yeah.
Siyempre, hindi mo maano yun, magpapawis, di ba? So, yun ang aming,
Kaya
isa sa
mayroon
mga-
kaming mga product na hindi namin pinopost pag summer. Pag winter lang. Galing sa Mitchin. Tapos dadalhin namin dito. Dito namin nilalagay, palalambigin. Pagkagaling sa bake,
Pagka-bake dito.
dito namin nilalagay. Sorry about the mess, but katatapos lang eh. Mamaya pa kami magge-general cleaning. Tapos pagka ano dito, dadalhin namin dito sa
Tinapay,
living area.
ilalagay.
Parang ganyan, dito na yung
Kasi andyan na yung mga bags, plastic bags. Ito yung mga namin, mga pouch. Pagka maglalagyan ng ice, front size ng box. Pag may malalaking order.
Labeling.
Saka yung labels. Ito na.
Isa-isa ng products ay nandyan. Kasi kailangan nandyan yung siya iinitin.
Kasi pagka, nung dati, hindi namin alam na ganun, no? Yung siopaw, when we were posting it, lagi tayo nagkakaproblema sa weight. Yung pala, kasi hindi namin ini-add yung weight nitong packaging na to, yung ice doon sa box.
Kung tumama ka sa weight ng box,
Kailangan din yung
at
size ay
kailangan
tama.
yung size tama pa rin.
Kasi para ma-consider mo siya ay small o
Oo.
medium o
Kung large siya, pero ang weight niya maliit, pero dahil malaki yung box, consider pa rin siyang large. Kahit maliit, pero lumampas dun sa timbang ng small, large pa rin siya.
O medium.
O medium. So marami. Marami kang kailangan.
Kaya minsan siya, nabook na niya, di ba? Less than 2 kilos. Nabook na niya. Ay, nabayadan na niya ang Royal Mail. Nung sa umaga, pag titimbangin na namin, ay more than 2 kilos. Ito, paano yun? Nabayadan mo na yung less than 2 kilos. So, nire-rebook niya.
Oo,
Kailangan niya i-rebook.
Kasi di ba ang ginagawa namin ay ibobook namin na a night before kasi nga kakunti kami gumagawa eh. Mas mabuti na mabook mo na para gagawin mo na lang kinaipapak mo na at ililabel mo na
Nagko-collect tayo ng Royal
kinabukasan.
Mail.
Ang problema sa amin kasi yung kami fresh namin ginagawa. So ibobook namin ng a day before. Tapos ay magpuproduce kami ng madaling araw. So lahat ng lumabas ng madaling araw, may weight naman kami doon na previous weight. Kaya lang minsan, pag na-bake mo na, iba pa rin ang weight niya minsan. Minsan napaparami ang iyong lagay ng palaman. Kahit minay-weight mo siya, minay-weigh mo siya, nakakaiba pa rin. So yung previous mong binok, nababago ang weight. So i-rebook mo na naman uli siya. Kasi yun ang pagka
konting difference lang sa weight.
ay malaki na
Strict sila
ang malaki na ang ano
Ang
sa
bayad.
amin effect sa amin. Yung ginagawa namin, bibig kami sa umaga, ipo-post namin sa hapon.
Or, hindi,
Kukolekta ng Royal Mail.
ng tanghali.
So kailangan tapos na siya ng before midday para makolek ng Royal Mail, madala na sa alam mo yun, sa post.
The next day.
Oo, may deliver na. So maraming challenges kumbaga, pero Okay. We're crazy from the start anyway.
We got our Amazon. Medyo nagkaroon lang medyo mahirap lang talaga medyo
Marami silang requirements.
marami requirements at saka medyo complicated ang paglalagay ng mga details ng products kasi they're really strict dun sa ng product. So lahat ng pictures, kailangan maraming pictures, may video or something like that.
So meron na tayong TikTok.
Mga ganon.
Meron na tayong Amazon.
Oo, may
Yung
TikTok.
aming Temu ay wina-workout namin. Hopefully, magti-Temu din tayo. We'll see.
So we are more on online talaga. Mas preferred namin mag-online kaysa I don't know, maybe in future magkaroon kami ng shop,
It's always on the
Ba-
plan, pero
na-
depende.
physical shop.
Pero
We'll
we'll see.
see.
Okay. It's always in the plan. Kasi gusto natin yung may common place eh. Diba? Na
to
uupo
sit
ang mga
down
tao.
and
Na mas doon nakakainin ng diretsyo. Kumbaga, mag-i-enjoy.
That's my dream.
I know.
To have my own cafe.
We're getting there. Kaya lang ay, alam mo yun. Kailangan muna tayong medyo yun ay little expansion eh. Tsaka yung expansion natin ay binebase natin kung ano ang nangyayari sa market ngayon, parang ganyan. Kasi mahirap mag-exist nang wala kang kahit, counting plano, kumbaga. Mahirap. Pero we're getting there.
Baka may mga pop-up
Oh, yeah!
pop-up stalls kaming gagawin this year.
This
So
yun ang aming plano
we'll
this
we'll let you know. Baka ngayong summer meron.
At
Tingnan
saka meron
natin.
tayong mga ginagawang mga sale para pasasalamat sa mga customer. Kasi ang pinaka gift talaga sa atin ay yung ating masusugid na mga customer na hindi nagsasawa talaga sa atin kahit tayo alam mo yun, hindi tayo ganun ka-perfect, ay nandyan sila para sa atin. Kaya kami nagsisale na parang pasasalamat talaga. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi talaga mag-i-exist ang Pops Mix. Laging nasa isip namin yung mga customer na kagaya niyo, syempre.
That's true.